But what's happening in most cases is that we as a people forgot that, and we start learning to cook our foods, process our food, and eating enzyme deficient food. The life force has been taken out. So we're taking this dead food or enzyme deficient food and put it into the body. When we do that, we overwork the pancreas. And then we overdo that, and then we end up lacking the production of metabolic enzymes. And their enzyme potential drops, and then we become enzyme deficient. And then we become vulnerable and susceptible to undigested food. Because then when you become enzyme deficient, then you only partially digest your proteins, carbs, and fats. So you're only partially digesting, like I said before. I'll repeat again because it's very important that you get this. So when you have undigested proteins, carbohydrates, and fats due to an enzyme deficiency, then it putrefies, ferments, and acidifies in the body. But that attracts parasites and virus, bacteria, and yeast. And these little critters are living on this waste. As they're living on this waste, they themselves proliferate. They multiply inside you. And they become very toxic to your body. And they also secrete waste. They also secrete, byproduct from their own little bodies. And their waste that releases from their little bodies are very acidic, very toxic, very poisonous, and very smelly and deadly. And it leads to infections and diseases of all kinds. That's why I say toxemia really is the one word that covers every disease there is. Because toxemia is related to toxic thinking, toxic emotions, heavy metals, chemicals, parasites, viruses, bacteria, and yeast. So these toxins is what's setting us up for all kinds of ailments. So just know that our purpose here is to master digestion and then detoxify the body so we can regenerate ourselves, so we can cleanse and regenerate ourselves. And the body can heal itself and restore itself.